Hi there, students. To adjudicate. Okay, adjudicate is a verb. An adjudicator is the person who adjudicates, who makes a decision. Adjudication, the decision or the decision-making process. Okay, so an adjudicator is somebody who makes a formal decision about something. To adjudicate, to act as a judge or a referee or an arbiter in a competition or an argument or something like that. So the referee in the football match adjudicated the action to be a foul and awarded a penalty to the team. An adjudicator could step in to resolve a dispute. The judge adjudicated the match as a win for the red team. Okay, so to adjudicate, to act as a judge. Yeah, you can use this in law to make an official decision about something, especially as to who is right in a disagreement. So to adjudicate on something. So the judge adjudicated on the request of the defense lawyer. You could adjudicate between two people. You could adjudicate between Johnny Depp and yeah, Miss Heard. What's her name? Well, Amber Heard. Yeah. Okay. So to adjudicate between people in a so in a dispute, an adjudication is made. Yeah. Okay. So it's a decision. You could adjudicate somebody bankrupt to legally state that a person can't pay its debts. Okay. So to adjudicate, to settle a legal case or other dispute, or to act as a judge, to effectively to arbitrate, to try a case. There was an argument between two students, and the headmaster adjudicated their quarrel. He adjudicated their argument. The judge needed to adjudicate about a property claim. So you can use this in a legal sense. To determine, to resolve, to decide, to settle, to act as a referee, an adjudicator, an umpire, to mediate, to arbitrate. And this is the idea. Okay, so to adjudicate, to make a formal judgment on something that is disputed, or to act as a judge in a competition. So, yes, they had a competition to decide who had the most beautiful pet, and the local veterinary surgeon, was asked to adjudicate. You can also use it meaning to make the decision. So she adjudicated in favor of the women. Okay, so to adjudicate on a problem, you make an official judgment or a decision about it. Yeah. Adjudication needs to be unbiased. Yeah, you need to be an independent adjudicator. Yeah, I think independence for an adjudicator is a very important thing. We use this particularly when the decision of the adjudicator is binding. It means that both parties have to obey by what has been decided. So to adjudicate, formality, maybe it's a little bit on the formal side. I think I'd probably give it 6.5. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation, although I think decide or judge might be better. And then As to origin, well, it comes from Latin ad, to, and judicare, to act as judge, from judex, judge. Okay, so to adjudicate. Well, you could adjudicate this video as being a good one by giving it a rating. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Adjudicate, adjudication, adjudicator.